Hi guys, I just want to quickly show you how to change a Wi-Fi card on a laptop. I've got a Acer Nitro 5 laptop here, and I have an Intel Wi-Fi card in the laptop. All you gotta do is just quite simple, just take out those screws at the back of the laptop, and once you take out the back case, for this laptop you don't have to unplug the battery cable, because there's a switch here. It automatically disables the battery from the motherboard. It takes a caster connection. So I had wait a second. Yes, that is a 9260N Wi-Fi card there. I just want to change that to AX200 NGW. This is the latest out there, so I just want to change that to that. And I believe this supports 160 megahertz connection with the router, and of course the latest AX connection. So really simple. There's only one screw there. Normally use gloves. Let's get one on there. Just remember the cables here, the antenna cables, how you connect them. So it's white and black. Let's take that out. Put this in. Connect the antenna cables back. Cool. Before you put the back case on, definitely check to see if it's working. So I'll have to press that switch there for the battery and then turn the laptop on. Okay. So, right, the Wi-Fi card is working, but do definitely check if the Bluetooth is working. Alright, I thought, yeah, okay. I can't see the Bluetooth button there. Let's double check. Okay, it says on this Windows device, turn on Bluetooth. Couldn't connect BMS. Okay, if the device supports Bluetooth. Alright, it cannot find the Bluetooth device. It might be a driver issue. Let's quickly have a look. It's not. I didn't think it would be. Okay, I know what the issue is. It's probably because when I first got the laptop, it did not have an Intel Wi-Fi card. So what you can do is you'll have to. I'm going to show you on this one. Let's take this out. Okay. So this is the card. Where's the camera? I'm trying to use. This was there, so I had to do it on this one. What you gotta do is, let's turn this around. you have to put a tape to cover these 2 pins. Then Bluetooth will work. So I have to do the same on this one. So you can see the pins look the same. So there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins there. You just need to cover these 2 as I did on this one. This I will do, and this is going to go to my HP laptop tablet here. That's HP Pro X2 612G1. So I just need to change that Wi-Fi device. I don't think I will have to cover those pins for this one because it already has an Intel Wi-Fi card. So I'm just going to take that tape off and then try and swap it with this. I hope it's going to work. If it doesn't work, I'll have to put the tape back on to cover those 2 pins. Yeah, that's it. So if your new Wi-Fi device does not work, try and put a tape on that. Let me just show you again. Come on. Yeah, just those 2 pins. Okay, any questions, leave a comment, ask me, I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks guys, bye.